This is custom SMTP with Kinde and SendGrid. So by default, when you're using Kinde and you sign in with your email, what will happen is you'll get sent a code and you use that code to sign in. So here's the code. I've got it from a custom sender name, no reply at kinde.com. And there's the code, and I'll put it in to log in. Now, when you get this code, if you have your own business on Kinde, you probably want to have your business name here. And if you have your own domain and email, you may want to change that no reply at kinde.com to something that actually reflects your business. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. So here we are in the Kinde dashboard. So if you go under settings, email, then that's where you can control your sender name. So I'm going to call it business name. And we're going to use a custom sender name. And this is where you can configure the SMTP settings. So you can see here I'm using the email peter@sporttracker.com.au. And that is the email that I have verified on SendGrid. So when you create an account on SendGrid, they're going to ask you to create a single sender email type thing. So you go ahead and verify that email. You just click a link in your email, and then you'll get this green check mark to say, okay, it's all good to start sending emails from that email address. And then you have to go ahead and grab the SMTP data to fill in this Kinde form. So you need the server address, port, username, password. So on SendGrid, in order to get the SMTP information to fill in this form on Kinde, all you have to do is go to Email API Integration Guide, and then there will be the option for SMTP. Let's click the SMTP relay. You can put in any name for your API key, and you just copy these over. So you're going to copy over the server, paste that in to the server address. You're going to grab the port. So we're using 587. Don't be silly like me. The first time I tried it, I tried to do 25,587. That didn't work. Just take 587, pop that in there. The username is API key, and then the password is your API key, and that'll pop up after you create it. So you can do that, save it, and then send the test email. So I'll save it, I'll send my test email, and you'll see now it's going to come back with business name, and it's going to be from the sender email, peter@sporttracker.com.au. There we go. So click on this, you can see it's coming from business name, and now it's coming from peter@sporttracker.com.au. Let's do it through the actual app so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to sign in, peter@kinde.com. Going to get the code in my email, refresh. There we go, from business name, it's peter@sporttracker.com.au. And I can use this code to log in. Cool, so now if you go to SendGrid, check out your activity, you can see, show all activity. You can see all the emails that have been sent. Cool. So that's Kinde with SendGrid.